Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a beautiful turkey fan display. First, you'll need a few essential items: a sharp knife, a sturdy board, and some borax powder. Begin by carefully separating the tail fan from the turkey's body, ensuring you keep the tail bones intact. Then, meticulously clean any remaining flesh or tissue from the base of the tail feathers. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful and lasting display. Once the tail is removed, it's time for thorough cleaning. Use your knife to carefully scrape away all meat, fat, and tissue from the quill bases. This step is vital to prevent decay and odors. Next, generously apply borax powder to the entire fleshy area of the tail base. Borax acts as a drying agent and preservative. Now, place the fan flat or fanned out to dry in a cool, dry place for at least 2 to 3 weeks. After the drying period, your turkey fan is ready for shaping and mounting. Gently spread the feathers into the desired natural fan shape. You can use small pins or weights to hold them in place while you work. Next, attach the dried tail base securely to a piece of wood or a display plaque using strong adhesive or small screws. For an even more impressive display, consider adding the turkey's beard or spurs below the fan. To ensure your turkey fan lasts for many years, apply a clear, non-yellowing sealant to the feathers. This helps protect them from dust and damage. Once completely dry, your beautiful turkey fan is ready for display. Choose a prominent, dry location away from direct sunlight or high humidity. Remember to dust your fan gently with a soft brush every few months to keep it looking its best. Enjoy your lasting trophy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.